How to fix PS5 disk drive won't eject disk. If you're having trouble with your PS5 disk drive and the disk won't eject, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in a few simple steps. Whether you're stuck with a game you can't remove or the disk drive seems to be malfunctioning, it can be super frustrating, but don't worry, we've got some easy solutions for you. Let's start by checking a few simple things to help you get the disk out without causing any damage to your PS5. First, let's try the most straightforward method, using a PS5 controller to eject the disk. To do this, simply turn on your PS5 and press the options button on your controller. Then scroll down to the disk options on the main screen and select eject disk. The disk should eject automatically. If this works, fantastic. But if the disk still won't eject, don't worry, there are some more solutions. Next up, we're going to try a power cycle. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. To do this, press and hold the power button on the front of your PS5 until you hear 2 beeps. This means the PS5 is completely powered off. Once the PS5 is off, unplug the power cable from the back of the console, wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute and then plug it back in. Turn the PS5 back on and try to eject the disk using the controller again. This could clear up any temporary issues with the disk drive. Sometimes software issues can cause the PS5 to malfunction, including problems with the disk drive. You'll want to check there if there's any system software update available. Updating the software could fix any bugs that might be affecting your PS5, including the disk eject problem. And that's how you can fix the issue of your PS5 disk drive not ejecting the disk.